गोयनका लखनऊ की महानगर शाखा और अंसल शाखा ने खूबसूरत प्रस्तुतिकरण से संपन्न कराया समर कैंप। आज दिनांक 29 मई 2024 को GD गोयनका अंसल शाखा के प्रेक्षागृह में महानगर शाखा और अंसल शाखा ने अपनी अपनी 10 दिवसीय ग्रीष्मकालीन वर्कशॉप का समापन बच्चों के मनमोहक प्रस्तुति उनके टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स की उपस्थिति में कराकर संपन्न कराया। जहां GD गोयनका की प्रधानाचार्य प्रेरणा मित्रा ने बताया कि लगभग 200 बच्चों ने अत्यंत उत्साह के साथ भिन्न भिन्न 21 विषयों की कार्यशालाओं में 10 दिनों तक अपनी प्रतिभा को खूब निखारा। वहीं इस प्रस्तुतिकरण को लेकर न केवल अभिभावक अपितु बच्चों की आंखों में भी आत्मविश्वास की चमक स्पष्ट दिखाई दे रही थी। उन्होंने सभी बच्चों को उनके इतने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन की बधाई दी और अगले वर्ष और नई ऊर्जा के साथ समर कैंप से जुड़ने की बात कही। वहीं महानगर शाखा की हेड मिस्ट्रेस शैली डावरा ने कहा कि बच्चे अपने प्रदर्शन को लेकर बहुत उत्साहित दिखे। स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस में बाहर के बच्चों ने और बहुत सी माओं ने भी अपने बच्चों के साथ अपनी नृत्य प्रस्तुति दी। साथ ही बहुत से बच्चे जो किन्हीं कारणवश इस बार की समर कैंप को नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाए, उन्होंने अभी से अगले साल इससे जुड़ने की भरपूर इच्छा जाहिर की है।
Greetings to everyone. I am Dr. Prerna Mitra, Principal GD Goenka Public School, Lucknow. Today was an auspicious day because today we had the culmination ceremony of a much awaited and a 10-day summer camp which was held enthusiastically under the guidance of teachers and also with the support of our parents. It was such a delight to see the performance of the students because whatever they learned in the past 10 days, they were able to display and showcase in front of their parents. Not only the parents were excited, but I could see the delight and the spark in the eyes of the children as well as our teachers. So I am so grateful to all the stakeholders for their valuable contribution and the resounding success of this summer camp. My congratulations to each one of them, and also the kind of activities they had displayed. There were around 21 activities in which around 200 students took part. And also the parents, they also participated in few of the events like Dholki and dance. Along with that, the teacher in charges, they were really wonderful. Under their guidance, children were able to perform so well. There was the play, the role play, the drama, which was really a big hit and really hilarious. Parents were really having a good time. My compliments to each one of them on behalf of our management. Congratulations to all of them. God bless.
Good morning. I am Shelly Davra, Head Mistress of GD Goenka Public School, Mahanagar Branch. Today we just saw the culminating ceremony of summer camp for both the branches, Ansal Branch and Mahanagar Branch, which was done and executed at the Ansal Branch. The children of Mahanagar Branch, they participated enthusiastically and they showcased their talents, which were well and appreciated by all the parents and the management as well. I congratulate all the parents and the children who could be here in the scorching heat, be a part of the culmination ceremony. Some of the students were so eager, and there were many children who joined from the other schools as well. The response that I got from most of the children and the parents were that they will be definitely joining the next summer camp as well. So thank you very much, and on behalf of our school, I wish all the best to all the children, and for developing such skills, I congratulate all the in charges as well. Thank you.